Hi, today I'm going to review the rOtring 800 mechanical pencil along with the rOtring 800 Plus, which is a mechanical pencil and stylus hybrid. I first bought this silver rOtring 800 to replace a rOtring 600, which is a fixed lead holder or tip pencil. It eventually broke because I tried really hard to keep it safe, but I couldn't. If you plan on carrying this stuff, these pencils around with you, something bad will happen and you will break it. In case you're just using it for stationary uh, use, keeping it in your desk or on your in your job or at home, then it's fine. But I plan on using this for school and work and wherever I go. So it eventually broke, as I said, and I went for the retractable design, which is the 800. The only difference between these two is that the 800 is, the 800 Plus has the rubber tip here for usage with uh, touch sensitive or screens and pads that engineers or graphic designers use. So I bought this from Amazon after an extensive search for prices and other features. They're all the same. There's nothing much different between all the stores. You're only negotiating the price. And uh, damaged goods, which I'm something also I'm going to speak about next. So the design, it has a hexagonal body, as you can see here, and a knurled grip. The material of the pencil itself, it's a metal. I think it's a aluminum, stainless steel alloy, something like that, because it feels really light and it's very sturdy. It's very well made. It has that matte finish to it that gives it a really nice color and appearance. If you compare it here to the MacBook material that Apple makes the cases from, it's very nice. It even looks superior. It has a little bit more shine to it here, and the knurling actually adds more aesthetic beauty. So, as you can see here, the grip is knurled, so you can get a better hold on the pencil while you're writing or drawing. And the knurling is also repeated here, which is the grip for the mechanism to release the lead. As you can see here, the mechanism is very nice. It's very sturdy. It's definite, and what I mean by definite is that it has a lock at the end, which indicates that the lead is fully out and locked, so it doesn't go back in case you're pushing too hard when you're writing or drawing, which I don't recommend that because you might break the tip. It's very definite, and the release has this cool snap to it. So after this finish, you can see it snaps back. It's a very nice touch. You can see the detailing here. It has a gold tip here, and the gold edge here with the red ring around it, or in the middle of it. By the way, rOtring means red ring, so it's really nice to see that interpreted into their designs. The eraser cap on top here is very nice. It has a hole in it. Many people will ask why it has a hole in it. Well, it's very simple because they need that hole to let the rubber on the eraser to breathe and prevent it from drying out and cracking. Another feature here, another design uh, touch, which is the eraser or well, lead compartment head or cap. It's knurled. So if you had that problem previously with any kind of mechanical pencil that you can't catch it, it's very easy here because it's knurled. It's a very nice touch they added. As you can see here, I'll let the camera zoom in a little bit. Okay, So as you can see here, the knurling, it's a little bit uh, thicker. It's more dense than here. I guess it's because the space that you're grabbing is a little bit smaller. So anyway, this is the top. By the way, the cap is made by metal. I don't know if I mentioned that before. So it's the same type of metal that actually the whole body of the pencil is made of. It's a very nice pencil. The only issue that I had, there was actually two issues. The first issue is that I bought this from Amazon, which is my favorite store to buy these stuff. Uh, I bought it from a store called Advantage Gifts or something like that, and they actually provided me with a pencil that was excellent, but it had the wobbling issue on the tip. The tip on all retractable pencils is wobbly, so it has a little bit of looseness. It's something that they can't regulate. I don't know why, but it's for me it's very simple because they can simply install an O-ring, for example, on the inside, so it can hold that lead in place. It's not very apparent in this pencil because I fixed it. I'll show you how later. But it's a little bit disappointing for a $60 or $50 pencil to have this issue. But the problem that I had with that store is that the pencil they provided was too wobbly. The tip was too wobbly. So I changed and I returned it and ordered this one from a store called TCP Global, I guess, for the same price, which is the pencil that I'm holding right now. I'm very happy with it. The second issue, which is related to the first one, is that all mechanical pencil with a retractable design has this issue of wobbling. So as you can see, the mechanism goes out. The usually the opening is has a little bit of difference between the lead holder and the opening here. It's nearly impossible to perfect this because there has to be a little bit of space to allow a little bit of movement here when the pencil goes out and prevent the lead holder from actually touching uh, the outside tip and thus preventing it from coming out. I fixed this by actually taping it with regular tape that I had from Office Depot. So you cut a little bit and you put it on the inside here before the tip. Just one ply. Don't do two plies. Just one ply. And there's a little edge here that I can show you. Okay, this thing seems to escape all the time. So there's a little edge here. There's a little corner here. You just skip by it, and I mean I'm talking about nano millimeters here, and just put a simple one ply thin piece of tape here, and it will actually solve the issue considerably. It will not solve it totally, but it will actually reduce it considerably. So when writing, I feel very confident. I don't have that noise that I used to have when writing or drawing or doing whatever it is. It's very nice. The grip is very nice. Everything is cool. Another thing that you need to know, so the mechanism locks when the lead holder is retracted. The mechanism is locked. So if you press here, no leads will escape or be pushed inside. So you won't be surprised when you open your pencil and you have this long piece of lead coming out, and which will break actually if you touch uh, any hard surface or paper. And the other thing is that when you push the pencil, when you push here for the leads, it's a very fair length that this pencil provides for every push. So you can see here that it's a very nice, it's just a, I don't know how it is, but it's a millimeter. uh, in length it provides. You have to be careful. If you keep pushing and you get a very uh, long lead out, you can't push it back. So usually when we do this with these pencils, for example, so you get this, and usually what you do is that you recalibrate by pushing the lead back by pressing it on a table or paper. As again, you can do that with an ordinary pencil and push it back, right? So you can do this with this one. If you push it, then it's done. You can push it back, which is a very nice feature. I think it's a safety feature for this pencil. I don't know why, but it's very good. Uh, be careful from. Do not do that because eventually you have to take all the lead out and then install it back in from the top. This is a very nice pencil. I bought it for I guess let me check here. I bought it for $58 from Amazon, from TCP Global. It's a very nice price considering that other websites like JetPens, uh, they I think they sell it. Let me check here. They sell it for come on, where are you? Oh, they sell it for 52. So they actually reduced the price since I bought this. Maybe I should have bought this from JetPens, which is probably was a good idea. So anyway, the price changed. Now JetPens has the better price. You can buy it from there. But I urge you to check both Amazon and JetPens for these pencils and see which one provides the best price. So we go to this one, which is the 800 Plus in black. It's a very nice pencil that I decided to buy as a gift to my brother, who is a mechanical engineer and he works with these kind of products. He loved them for a long time. The black is phenomenal. It's made out of the same metal that the regular 800 is made of, but I decided to get him the black. It's more sophisticated, I guess. It's really black. The first thing that you look at it, it's really black. It has the same texture and feel that you get from a tactical knife or a very high-end handgun, pistol, whatever it is, like holding a piece of. Uh, it's like an accessory part from an M16 rifle. I don't know if I'm sorry if you don't like guns, but it feels like that. So it's very sophisticated. It's like it's very cool, actually. The only difference between the 800 Plus and the 800 is that it has this tip for using it with pads and touch screens and stuff like that. Uh, I just got this. As you can see here, it's also made in Japan. Oh, here it is. It's made in Japan. Both pencils are actually designed in Germany and made in Japan, so that's a very nice combination. The paint, the finish on them, on this one, the black one, is phenomenal. I can just say I'm very envious of my brother for getting this. I'm actually thinking of giving him the silver one and keeping this one, but anyway, we'll think about that later. It has the same features. Everything is the same. It just has this the tip. The tip, it doesn't add anything, doesn't take anything away. Uh, It's really nice. I don't know to say anything else. Same features as you can see here. Nothing different. Let's see. Oh, nothing different at all. So I've seen some of the pictures online for this after heavy use, and the wear and tear on the paint here is minimal. You can actually, if you've seen a blued pistol that has some wear and tear on it, that put on some use on it, you will notice that these pencils are very similar. So the paint that they use here is actually very similar to these paints or materials that are used on handguns. Germany is well known for their material and for their engineering capabilities. Companies like HK or I don't know what was the other Walter Walther uh, handguns and pistols. They use the same materials, so I guess they all share the same technology. It's very nice. I bought it for $67. Let me check here. Okay, 800 plus. I bought it for 67.95, which is $68. Uh, it's a good price. You can get it also from Jet Pens for 83. Now, if you want to buy this directly from the rOtring website, as you can see here, you can see this is the website, and they offer the 800 plus for 70 euros. 70 euros, it's $93.6. And the 800 is 62 euros, which is by today's rates is actually $83. So buying from JetPens is $83 for the 800, which saves you about $10 from the rOtring website, plus shipping. I don't know how much they charge for shipping from rOtring website. And if you buy it from JetPens here, if you buy the 800, the regular one is 52, which is about, I don't know, $30 saving from the rOtring website. If you go to Amazon, you can buy it from a whole bunch of different sellers. It's $68, $67.95, 68 plus free shipping. So you're saving about $20. And for the regular 800, you get it for 58, which at this point I recommend that you buy it from JetPens. Uh, both pencils come with warranty, and they both come in this very nice minimal triangular box, which is very nice, very minimal. It's sophisticated enough to be presented as a gift or to keep it anywhere. It's a very nice package. It doesn't say anything other than 800 plus here, zero point 0.7 black, and the same thing here. And it has some description here about it. So as you can see here, it's designed in Germany, assembled in Japan, and nothing else. It's very nice. So the real question is, should you buy these for your own use or for as a gift? Well, let me tell you something. This is I think this is a $5 or $6 mechanical pencil made in China, plastic. It has a cheap metal body. I guess it's made out of recycled materials, whatever it is. It's very nice. It's like any other Pilot or Zebra or whatever the maker that you may choose, Japanese. But it's dull. I mean, it's good. It's very nice, but it's not like rOtring. I mean, you're purchasing a very well made, well designed product. Yes, $58 or $52 and $68 is not a simple or not a little amount of money, but I like it, so I'm going to buy something expensive anyway. Why not be rOtring? Things to be careful when buying these. Buy this from a good source like JetPens or Amazon. Again, there's the TCB Global store that I prefer on Amazon. It doesn't mean that the other ones are bad. I just have good experience with this store. So look for it. I bought these two from TCB Global, which is a good indication to their service. And actually, the other store, Advantage Gifts, they accepted my return, no questions asked. Uh, Other thing to be careful with these pencils is that when you carry them, please be sure that you retracted them before putting them in your pocket, or else they will break and you will be missing the whole point of the retractable mechanism, and you will hurt yourself probably and the pencil itself if you drop it. For the 800 plus, I don't see anyone buying the 800 plus if they don't have a good use for the rubber tip. It is this. It has the same mechanism. It's by the way, it's a little bit less wobbly than. It's actually very firm, which is something to note when buying this. I would say that this alone, this feature alone, well, it's a little bit wobbly. You can hear that voice, but it's less than this one. And again, I didn't install any tape on this, so it's still in the original form that came in. And I guess buying this in black or in silver is, I don't know. It's a personal choice. I like both. They're both nice. The black is definitely a favorite now. If I'm going to replace the silver one or get a different lead size, I will get the black one because it's so nice. It's so well made. Other than that, it's up to you whether you want to buy the silver or black or the 800 regular one or the 800 plus. I hope that I gave you some insight and some information about these pencils. Please make sure to like our video and subscribe to this channel if you liked what you saw. Thank you very much for watching. See you later.